Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to insert a drop-down list with color coding in Sheet. To insert a color-coded drop-down list in Google Sheets, you can use the built-in drop-down tool where you can basically change the color from within, right, by choosing a cell. So select the cell, right, where you want to add the drop-downs. Hit Insert. Below, you're going to see drop-down. Press drop-down. Right? And then fill in the criteria boxes, e.g. completed, in progress, overdue, and then click the small circle or dot to the left of each item to choose or customize the color. And then hit done. Okay? Optional, if you want the entire cell to change color instead of just a pill, click advanced options at the bottom of the sidebar and change the display style to arrow or plain text, right? This is optional, obviously. And you can hit here the advanced options if you scroll a little bit down. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps. See you in the next one.